cats that purr and birds that fly. Dogs unwell, looking at the sky. Anything you want to be is done with clay so easily. Have some fun with your new devotion. That's the spirit of Claymotions.
Kittens.
Hello. Oh!
Hello there.
Meow. Why did you just say meow? I'm being a little kitten, and kittens always say meow.
And do kittens do anything else?
I'm not sure. Oh, I know. Kittens love to play. Meow.
Do you know if kittens can fly too?
Fly? Let me check.
Ooh. No. You're so silly. Kittens can't fly. Kittens cannot fly, but they can climb up tall trees. And they're also pretty good at climbing down curtains, too.
I want to try. It looks like fun. Are there any cats that are bigger?
Of course. Tigers are big cats. Very, very big cats. And so are lions.
What about me? I want to be a type of kitten too. What is this? What are all these spots?
You're a leopard.
Leopards are super beautiful.
Cats are domesticated, meaning they live in people's homes. But leopards and lions are wild and live in the jungle.
But do we still get to go meow?
Not quite. You get to roar like this. Roar.
Rawr! Meow, meow! I like playing kittens.
Roar!
Rawr! Meow, meow!
Number 1.
Huh?
I'm number 1 and I am first. Being first is so much fun. It's so much fun I'm always first because I'm number 1. Whoa!
Huh?
I told you that I'd win. I always come in first place. Wait!
Huh?
I'm number 1, so I get to go first. Oh, I've eaten way too much. I feel awful.
1, 2, 3, 4. Ready or not, here I come.
It's lonely being number 1. I'm sorry. May I play with you?
Of course! Let's play!
1, 2, 3, 4! Yay!
All the numbers, let's go play!
Number 1. A beautiful and important number, but not the only one. Number 2.
Huh? There are so many things in this world that can be 2 or can be 1. Something's happy, something's sad. Something's good, something's bad. And I have seen them all.
Meow.
I'm number 2.
Ooh.
I think you look like a hook. Let's go for a walk.
Oh. Ooh. Ooh.
Whoop.
Actually, well, you don't really look like a hook. I mean, you do, but you look like a good hook. Or maybe like a swan. Yeah, you do look like a swan.
There are so many things in this world that can be 2 or can be 1. Some things good, some things bad, and I have seen them all. Well, as long as I look like a swan, let's go for a swim.
Number 3.
And 1, and 2, and 3. Hup. Hup. I do my morning exercises. 1, and 2, and 3. That's why I am so healthy. Can't you guys see?
Whoa, 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 whoa!
Hello there. I'm number 3.
Whoa! Whoa! Wow!
Number 3, you look more like a letter S backwards.
Uh-huh. Look how super big he is.
Look at his teeth. They are
Uh-huh.
so big. He's probably so angry.
You're right. Really angry.
Let's all play a game together.
Nah, we don't have time for games. We have urgent things to do.
Uh-huh, right. Very urgent things.
Hup. Oh, hup.
Whoa!
Oh. Hoi.
Oh! Oh!
Oh.
Hey,
Why, thank
help
you.
me! Someone help me! Someone help me!
Uh-oh. Oh, no. You don't seem angry at all.
He isn't angry after all. He's very
And
kind.
very healthy.
We do our morning exercises. 1, 2, and 3. That's why we are so healthy. Can't you see?
Number 4.
And 1, and 2, and 3. And 1, and 2, and 3. Oh. Oh.
A cat has 4 paws. A dragonfly has 4 wings.
Oh.
A car has 4 wheels.
Oh.
And a chair has 4
Oh.
legs. Hi! I love it when things are crazy. And I look like a slingshot. Hooray! I love having tons of fun and talking a lot for sure. 1, 2, 3. That's right! I'm number 4!
Huh? Come on, get ready, will ya? Who is hiking along with me?
Oh! Oh, we're really
tired.
We should sit down then.
Uh-huh.
Whoa!
Oh,
Sit on what?
I know what to sit on. Ta-da! What do I look like to you?
A chair.
A chair! If you want, you're welcome to sit down.
Now we'll take it in turns here. That's 1.
Ah.
2, 3.
And 4!
Thank you, number 4. You're so very kind. I feel great now.
Number 5.
La 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 la.
Whoa! Oh! Hello there.
Hello.
High five.
What 5?
This is a high five.
Ah, high 5. Okay.
Ha!
Number 5 is very strong and proud, you know, with his chest out past his nose. But if he wants to make friends, this behavior he must end. Well, I have to go.
And what have you got there?
It's a book. I've read it, so I'm going to get a new one.
Ah, so it's a book. That must be why you're so clever. Well, I'll take a walk with you then.
You're welcome to join me.
Huh?
So, I read this one. Achoo! Or did I read it?
Hey, why don't you bring something clever for me too, so that I can read?
Achoo! Hey, you down there! Help me get down from here. I can't get down. Come on, help me. Come on, please help me. Oh, please help me. Oh, wow. Okay. Thanks so much. Thank you for that. If you learn all of the numbers and you know how to count, then you will get good grades at school and be top of the class, no doubt.